Quiet on the set, I'm making a movie. Huh? Now I do. It says wreck. When it says wreck, it's doing Paw Paw. And we ain't gonna do this for one. So when I'm making AFC, you ever heard of KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken? Well, Sunday I'm making AFC. Figure it out. And I've got 2 cups of self-rising flour. I would have 2 cups of regular flour, but I don't have no regular flour, so that's gonna have to do. So we're gonna put about a half of this spoon. This is a tablespoon. I'm calling this a tablespoon. Full of salt and a stir, and then we need time. We need a half of a hoo-haka hicka-haka of some thyme. Ooh, that smells so good. I'll take my spoon, stick it down in there, get it about half filled, and then throw it in there and stir, see? This is your Paw Paw's Alabama fried chicken, but it's also one of those good old Kentucky things, if you catch my drift. I think that you do. So what I need here is some basil. And I'm going to put in a half of, see, that's about a half. That's about a half. Put that in there. Try not to make no mess. And then we're going to put in some of this here Mexican oregano, the good stuff. Hang on, Grandma, I'm trying to do a movie now. Ruin it for me, Grandma. Alright, I'll edit all this shit out later, of course. Putting in, let's see how much that is. See, I told you that's a half. Oh, the battery's running low. Hurry up. Hurry up before the battery goes dead. Oh my goodness. What's next? Alright. We need celery salt. We need about yay much. Mama! My gosh! Ruin my movie, okay? Ruin my movie, Mama. Black pepper. Alright. Dry mustard. Let's put in a hair's worth of that. Yeah, man. Now we're doing it. Alright, done got the black pepper in there, dry mustard. Now we need a paprika. You need a good bit of this paprika. You need about 2 of these, and may add more once I taste it. I'm gonna taste this to see if it tastes like KFC. See, you're gonna have to taste it, see? So we're gonna put the garlic salt, put the lime in the coconut, and drink them both together, yeah. That's enough. And then some ground ginger. Oh, how much ground ginger? Oh, a tablespoon. Here. Alright, this is expertiest spurt that ever spurted on a spurt. White pepper. And that's about enough. That was about a half to a tablespoonful. Have to mix them all up real good. The battery's gonna die. Just know the battery's. Alright, JW, don't get crazy on me now. Don't do no stupid shit. Alright, let's taste her and see if it tastes anything like Kentucky Fried Chicken. And y'all thought I put too much salt in there. Yeah, alright, this don't call for it, but I'm going to go ahead and put a little Lowry's in there too. It's gonna be Alabama fried chicken, not no Kentucky shit. Okay? That's my story and I'm sticking to it. See what that did. Oh yeah. Now, we'll put this into this good old little old Tupperware doohickey. And this is what we're gonna cook the fried chicken in Sunday. Make us some of that good old, well, it's above Tennessee fried chicken, but it's originating in the Dog River Swamp. Love y'all, mean it. Paw Paw.